Hey everybody, hope you all are doing well. It's Naima from Beachbum Wisdom back with another facial video. I'll be doing my signature facial here on my beautiful client and chatting with you all about skincare. Hopefully, we've all by now gotten skincare 101 down, the basics like cleansing, exfoliating, toning, moisturizing, and protecting the skin. So now it's time to take your skincare to the next level with these skincare 102 tips and tricks. These will be all the things that you can do at home to elevate your skincare routine. I'm going to be getting right to it, but before we get started, if you haven't already, please give this video a thumbs up if you feel that it'll be useful for you, and please consider subscribing to my channel for more videos like this. Okay, skincare 102. Here we go. If you wear makeup and you're not already double cleansing at home, using 2 cleansers or cleansing twice is really going to help to remove debris, makeup, and oil from the day. The first cleanse can move the dirt around your face, so doing it twice means that you're getting deeper into your pores. I like to start off with an oil-based pre-cleanse and then move into a regular cleanser. Adding a toner to your routine means that you're going to be getting another opportunity to cleanse and balance your complexion. They're going to restore nutrients to the skin that the cleansers might remove. Boost your radiance with vitamin C. So once you've cleansed and toned, a vitamin C serum would go on next. Vitamin C can help collagen production and fade hyperpigmentation or dark spots. And as an antioxidant, it can also help reduce oxidative stress caused by sun damage. I suggest applying vitamin C during your morning routine. Try a retinol. I love retinol products. I've been using them for at least 10 years. You're going to want to use a retinol at night. Retinols can prevent acne, they can help slow down the aging process, but you do want to be careful when you're starting out. Start slow because it may cause irritation for some skin types and conditions. Moisturize like a pro. Yes, there is a right way to apply moisturizer. Massage your moisturizer into your face and neck in an upward motion, moving away from the center of your face. Now, as much as I love a hot shower, try to avoid hot water and use a cool water cleanse. Hot water can be too intense for your face, so use a lukewarm or a cool water, and try to avoid washing your face in the shower unless you're going to turn down the temperature. Edible beauty. Vitamins and diet changes can transform your skin, and many experts believe that carbs and dairy can inflame the skin for some. So try to experiment with your foods to find out what foods give your skin the best glow. Now, you all know how much I love a good face massage. Face massages or using face rollers are going to help depuff your skin. So using your fingers to massage your skin or a massaging tool can help increase blood flow, leaving you looking beautiful, awake, and fresh. Okay, now that we've covered some of the basics, let's get into some more tips and tricks. So as you're applying your skincare products, wait a few minutes in between each product to maximize the effectiveness. Give your skin some time to adjust to the new products before changing them around. You want to really see what the products are doing to your skin and give them a chance to adjust to your skin. It's not always necessary to splurge on skincare products. Of course, it's beautiful to go out and buy luxurious products, but some drugstore products or products that you can easily find on Amazon often contain many of the same ingredients as the high-end ones. So save yourself some money there. Switch it up. Change your skincare routine based on your cycle, the seasons, and your age. Here's a little tip for preventing mouth wrinkles. Try applying some of your eye cream around your lips. Your eye creams tend to be thicker and more concentrated, so using that on an area like around your mouth is going to be beneficial. Add hydrating foods to your diet. Some of my favorite hydrating foods are watermelon, cucumber, celery, melon, broths, and grapes. These are all packed with nutrients and a wonderful way to get the desired amount of hydration into your body. And of course, drinking a ton of water throughout the day is just good in general for our health, but it's really going to help our skin. Lastly, let's talk about some all-natural home remedies. Who doesn't love a good home remedy? Here are a few tips on how to make some DIY skincare products at home. Using oils. So using something like coconut oil is going to reduce dryness on the hands and on the body. I also love using jojoba oil that could be used on your face in addition to your body. It's non-pore clogging and it does wonders for the skin. Baking soda. Using a product like baking soda will treat hard calluses on your hands and on your feet. I love making masks at home. You can use yogurt and green tea or use a simple egg white for a face mask. I also love making scrubs. You can mix coffee grounds or sugar and coconut oil for an exfoliating body scrub. Now, when you're making these DIY home remedies for your skin, you might want to skip citrus. Avoid using acidic fruits and some acidic essential oils in your DIY concoctions. Only mild essential oils are really safe for the skin and they need to be diluted in a carrier oil. I hope you all found this video to be useful. I hope you use some of these tips and tricks. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't already, please give this video a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel for more videos like this. I'll see you soon.